Tonight, a surge in coronavirus in San Francisco, which now has the third highest COVID transmission rate in the state. California's current testing positivity rate is almost 16% right now, up from nearly 10% last week. KPIX5's Betty Yu has the latest on the Omicron variant, how it's hitting the restaurant industry very hard. Betty?
Alan, in San Francisco, there are about 600 new cases a day right now. Many restaurants have reported cases among staff members, forcing them to temporarily close. This as doctors say we should expect more people to become infected with COVID next week. Tonight, New Belgium Brewery in Mission Bay says it's seeing about a 25% drop in reservations. They also have fewer staff members on hand.
So I kind of actually do everything, like I'm serving, bartending, working the front, just because there's so few of us that are actually left with COVID. We've actually had a few employees that tested positive. So we've been really short-staffed.
Several popular restaurants across the city had to shut down entirely due to the surge. Pipperod on Battery Street announced that it will be temporarily closed until next Tuesday for the safety and well-being of its staff and guests. Pearl 6101 in the Outer Richmond announced on Instagram yesterday that it's not taking any chances and will close to get its staff tested. Murad in the financial district did the same before reopening last week.
I really felt like that we were over the hump and we turned the corner. And it's just going to be a situation of managing a case here and there. But then when Omicron came, it came with a vengeance.
To complicate matters, test results weren't always consistent.
There were a lot of false positives. And that's when we were really confused as to what was legit, what was not legit, which test was reliable, which test was not reliable. And we decided to close for 10 days and just be on the safe side. And we incurred a lot of losses.
Murad said the bright spot was that none of his staff members became seriously ill. Right now, the latest data shows 63 people hospitalized with COVID in San Francisco. That's up from 24 at the beginning of last month, but still much lower than 220 1 year ago.
Silver lining is vaccines still protect us against serious disease, and this is hopefully going to exit very, very quickly.
And Dr. Peter Chin Hong said after the surge, we will have quite a bit of community immunity, and hopefully that will give us a months-long reprieve until the next variant appears. Liz?
Let's hope so. All right, Betty, thank you.